Good morning, students. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Exceed Mathematics. Today we are going to start 3D shapes. So before that 3D shapes, we learn in shortcut about 2D shapes. About 2D shapes. These are 2D shapes. 2D means two dimensional. 2D means two dimensional. That means we have in these shapes length and breadth. Okay. Length and breadth only we have in these shapes. Okay. And we don't have width. That means motai. We don't have any weight, okay, in these shapes. So we call these shapes 2D shapes. Now we have some 3D shapes. So what are the difference in 2D shapes and 3D shapes? Let's see. First of all, this shape is rectangle and this one is this one is cuboid. This one is cuboid and this one is rectangle. This one is our 3D shape and this one is 2D shapes. Let's see what is the difference in both. Okay, so in this shape we have only two properties, that means two dimension, length and breadth. We don't have any weight. Okay, weight means motai, and in this shape we have length, breadth and this one is our weight. Okay, motai. So we call these shapes 3D shapes. For example, we have another shape is square, and in this we have another shape in 3D shapes. This one is this one is cuboid. Okay, sorry, cube. And what is the difference in both? Yes, this one is 2D shapes and this one is 3D shape. In 3D shape, we have three dimensional, that means three properties are there in 3D shapes. Length, breadth and weight, that means motai. Okay, and in 2D shapes, we have only two properties, length and breadth. We don't have any width, that means motai. So these are the difference in 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Let's see 3D shapes. Now students, you are clear with 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Now we learn about our 3D shapes. These are 3D shapes. This one is cube, slender, spare and cuboid. This one is cuboid. One more shape we have in 3D shapes, that is cone. That is cone. So this one is example of cone. Okay. Like our birthday cake also the example of cone. Okay students. So let's start about these properties. Okay, we will start about the 3D shapes properties. Let's see. First of all, we will see cubes properties. Which property? Cubes property. First of all, for that we have to know what are the faces, edges and corners. Let's see. Today we will learn all properties of 3D shapes. First property is face, second property is edge and third property is corner. So let's see what is the meaning of face in 3D shapes. Let's see. First is face. How many types of a shape we can put? How many types we can put a shape? that is called face. That is called face. Let's see. This one is cube. We can put cube like this. So one face we have. We can put also like this. So this one is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many types we can put this one? 6 types. And in another shape like cylinder, we can put it 2 types. This one is, yes. So this one is curve face because this one is curve rounded here. So this one is called curve face because we can put like this also. So this one is curve shape and we can put here like this. So this one is flat face and another this one is also flat face. In cylinder we have 3 faces. This one is face, 2 face. That means 2 flat faces and we have 1 curve face because this one is rounding. Okay, so this one is curve face. Next, if we took example of our birthday cake or a cone, let's see how many faces we have. Yes, we can put like this our cap also. And this one is rounding. So this one is, yes, curve face. Okay. So we have curve face. Can we put this one like this? No, because this one is not putting like properly. So this one is not a face. And we can put this one is like this. Okay, so this one is a face. Which face? Yes, flat face. Which face we have? Flat face. Okay, because if we put this one, it will not move. Okay, ये move नहीं होगी. So this one is flat face. But if I put like this, so it will be move. ये क्या करेगी? Move करेगी. So this one is curve face. Okay. Now in faces we have 2 types. First we have flat face. And second we have which one? Yes, curve face. That move. Okay, so faces types are flat face and curve face. Okay, now you are understand what is the meaning of face. A shape, how many types we can put? That called faces. Okay, next we have edge. What is the meaning of edge? Where 2 faces. Where 2 faces. Now you are clear with faces. These are faces. Where 2 faces meet, that called edge. Let's see. This one is face and this one is also face. Both are meeting at the point. So this one is our edge. This one is our edge. Again, this one is face and this one is also face. Both are meeting at a point. So this line is S. We call this one S. Again we have this one is face and this one is also face. Both are meeting at a point. So this one is our S. Okay. So the definition of ace is where 2 faces meet, that called ace. Let's see in another shape like in cylinder. So this one is our face, curve face and this one is flat face. Okay, both are meeting at a point. So this one is edge. And in this side also we have curve face and flat face. Both are meeting at a point. So that point is called edge. Okay, now you understand. In another shape we have cone. Okay, let's see how many edges we have in this. Okay, so this one is curve face and this one is flat face. Okay, and both will meet. Both will meet. So this one is also edge of cone. This one is also edge of cone. Okay, so we called these edge. So you are clear with edge. What is the meaning of edge? Where two faces. Related this one. Where two faces meet, that called edge. Next, corner. I think you are know what is the meaning of corner. A point. A point. So what is the definition in 3D shapes of corner? Let's see. Now you are understand about the edges. This one is edge and this one is also edge. Okay. Where two edges meet. Where two edges meet. One is second edge. So where two edges, two or more edges meet, that point called corner. That point called corner or vertex. Corner or vertex. V-E-R-T-E-X. So this point is our vertex or corner. Again we have this one is edge and this one is edge. Where two or more edges meet, that are called corner. That are called corner. Let's see in our slender shape. We have corner in this one or no. Let's see. Where two faces or more faces meet, that called corner. Where we have two edges. This one is only one edge. This one is only one edge. So in slender we don't have any corner. Let's see in our example of cone. In example of cone, let's see. This one is edge. If we see around the all shape of cone, so both all are meeting at a point. एक पॉइंट पे मीट कर रही है. ओके, सो दिस वन इज ए कॉर्नर. दिस वन इज आर कॉर्नर. ओके, वी कॉल्ड दिस वन इज वर्टेक्स ऑल्सो. व्हाट वी कॉल्ड? VERTEX. Vertex. Also we called this one. So students, now you all are clear with our properties of 3D shapes. First face, second is edge and third is corner or vertex.